With melt-in-your-mouth shortbread sandwiched together with creamy filling, melting moments look amazing and taste delicious. I'm going to show you how to make citrus and poppy seed melting moments that have a lovely zesty flavour. Here's how to do it. I started by preheating my oven to 160 degrees, and now I'm just going to line 2 baking trays with some baking paper. I'm going to soak some poppy seeds in some milk. This will soften the seeds and bring out their flavour. You just let them stand for about 5 minutes. Now the seeds have soaked for 5 minutes, I'm just going to drain them over a small bowl, and you can discard the milk. Now we're going to add some butter to an electric mixer, and we're going to beat it until it's white as possible. It's important to keep on beating the butter. You want to get it nice and pale, and you want to get a lot of air into the butter to make a light textured biscuit. Then add the rest of the ingredients to the butter. We've got flour, icing sugar, cornflour, custard powder, and we've got some lemon and orange rind, and then of course the poppy seeds. Just stir it until it's combined. You don't want to overmix it because you don't want to have a tough biscuit. To shape the biscuits, I like to use a teaspoon, and I like to be quite precise so that they're all the same size. Having the biscuits the same size means when you sandwich them together, they're uniformed. Now just dipping a fork in some icing sugar and just gently pressing down onto the dough, and it gives you a lovely pattern. So bake the biscuits for 15 minutes until golden brown. Once the biscuits are cooked, leave them on the trays to cool completely. These wouldn't be melting moments without a delicious buttercream filling. So I've just got some icing sugar, and I'm going to add some butter, and we're going to whip that until it's creamy. The butter mixture looks great, nice and light and creamy, and I'm going to add some flavour into the buttercream. We're going to add lemon rind, some lemon juice, and some orange juice. And I'm just going to beat it until it's well combined. To pipe the filling into the biscuits, I've just got a piping bag with a 1 centimetre fluted nozzle, and I'm just going to put the icing into it. And I find it's really easy to fill a piping bag if you put it over a glass. If you don't have a piping bag, you can just pick up a resealable bag and just cut off the corner. And there you have it. To pipe the biscuits, we're just going to turn all of these up so that the flat side's facing up. And then we're just going to pipe the buttercream on. Not too much filling, because when you put the top on, the biscuit will squish out the filling. And you don't want to have oozing icing. Then all we have to do is sandwich with the top biscuits. If you want to make the melting moments ahead of time, you can store the unfilled biscuits in an airtight container for up to 3 days. These gorgeous little biscuits are great with a cup of tea or make a really sweet gift from the kitchen. I just can't resist taking a bite. For more great baking recipes, check out our playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.